Ever found yourself wondering about the limits of paying in a check online with Lloyds? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is key, and the ability to manage your finances digitally is a huge plus. But when it comes to depositing checks online, are there any restrictions you need to be aware of? Let's dive into the details and uncover exactly how much you can pay in by check using Lloyds online services. First things first, it's fantastic that Lloyds offers the ability to pay in checks through their mobile app. This feature saves you a trip to the branch and allows you to deposit funds from the comfort of your own home. The process is generally straightforward. You simply log into your Lloyds mobile banking app, navigate to the Pay In section, select the check option, and follow the on-screen instructions. This usually involves taking clear photos of the front and back of your endorsed check. Now, let's get to the crucial question: how much can you actually deposit this way? While Lloyds aims to make this process as convenient as possible, there are indeed limits in place for online check deposits. These limits are typically set for security reasons and to manage risk. As of my last update, Lloyds generally imposes a daily limit for the total value of checks you can pay in online. This limit can vary depending on your account type and your individual banking history with Lloyds. For many personal current account holders, this daily limit often falls in the range of £500 to £1,000. However, it's important to note that this is a general guideline, and your specific limit might be different. It's also worth considering that there might be a per-check limit in addition to the overall daily limit. This means that even if your daily allowance hasn't been reached, you might not be able to deposit a single check that exceeds a certain value. Again, this per-check limit can vary. So, how can you find out your specific online check deposit limits with Lloyds? The most reliable way is to check directly within your Lloyds mobile banking app. Once you navigate to the check deposit section, the app often displays your current daily and per-check limits. Alternatively, you can log into your online banking through the Lloyds website and look for information related to check deposits or transaction limits. If you can't find this information easily online, don't hesitate to contact Lloyds directly. You can call their customer service helpline or visit a local branch. A Lloyds representative will be able to provide you with the most accurate and up-to-date information regarding your specific online check deposit limits. They can also clarify any potential differences between online and in-branch check deposit limits. Keep in mind that these limits are subject to change, so it's always a good idea to double-check periodically, especially if you anticipate depositing a check of a significant amount. Understanding these limits will help you manage your banking effectively and avoid any unexpected delays or inconveniences. While Lloyds offers a convenient way to pay in checks online through their mobile app, there are daily and potentially per-check limits in place. These limits can vary depending on your account and banking history. The best way to know your specific limits is to check your Lloyds mobile banking app or online banking portal, or by contacting Lloyds directly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.